In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy Discord profile link on mobile. By the end, you'll know how to grab a shareable link for someone else's profile as well as your own so you can paste it anywhere you need. First, open the Discord app on your phone and head into your user settings. Look for the option called Developer Mode and toggle it on. This setting helps ensure the copy profile link option appears where you need it. If you're not seeing Developer Mode right away, it's usually located under Advanced in the app's settings. Now, to copy someone else's profile link, go to the server or direct message where that user is visible. Tap their profile picture or their name to bring up their profile. On the profile screen, look to the top right and tap the three dots. In that menu, choose Copy Profile Link. As soon as you tap it, the link is copied to your clipboard. You won't see a big banner, but your phone is now holding that link ready to paste. You can test it by pasting into a message, a note, or a browser. If you don't see the option right away, make sure you're on the full profile view and not just the quick preview, and confirm that your app is up to date. Let's do the same for your own profile. Open Discord and tap your profile icon on the bottom bar to open your account area. Then tap your username or profile to view your full profile page. In the top right, tap the three dots again and select Copy Profile Link. Just like before, the URL is now on your clipboard and you can paste it wherever you need. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If you're switching between devices, make sure you're signed into the correct account before copying your own link. If the menu looks different from what you're expecting, you might be on a different app version. Updating the app can restore missing options. And remember, a profile link is public facing. Share it only with people you trust or in places where you're comfortable being discoverable. That's it. With Developer Mode enabled, opening the profile, tapping the three dots, and choosing Copy Profile Link is all you need. Whether it's for someone else's profile or your own, paste the link into a chat, email, or note, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you share profiles quickly and confidently on Discord Mobile.